To set up voice typing on Poco M8, first of all open the settings and scroll all the way down, go to the additional settings. The voice typing we can actually find in the two places. Go to the languages and input for the first. Now when you go for the current keyboard, make sure that you are selected with the Gboard, not with this voice typing. Then you have to go into the manage keyboards, and you have to make sure that the Google voice typing is turned on, and you have to click on it to actually set this up. What I can recommend you to turn off that block offensive words filter, and then you have to set the main language. So make sure that the language that you are gonna use for the voice typing will be set over here. In my case, English from United States. Click Save. Now remember that this only works when you are online. So if you want to use offline voice typing, for example, to make notes, you have to go here to add a language pack, and you have to make sure that you have downloaded this one. And also what I can recommend you to switch to update this with mobile data and Wi-Fi, because when you will be only connected to the Wi-Fi, into mobile data, you will don't get these updates because it's set for Wi-Fi only. Now when you go here to the advanced, you can check if the language pack is already downloaded. Then we have to go back from this one, go to the Gboard and go to the voice typing, and make sure that you turn it on. And also I can recommend you to use faster voice typing, really useful option. Now we have to open the keyboard, and all you have to do right now is just to click on this microphone icon. When you are gonna use this for the first time, you have to accept microphone permission, open the keyboard one more time, and now everything that we are gonna say will be visible here. But when you are using this for the first time, sometimes it's not working properly on the Poco phones. So what I can recommend you to simply restart your phone. Yeah, just turn it off, then turn it on back and try to use the voice typing again. And that's pretty much it for this video. That's how it actually looks. You should get this icon. Now as you can see, after a few seconds it just starts working. So when you are saying something, then the microphone is like making this animation to let you know that it's actually capturing and to recognize your voice.